how the Bharatiya Janata Party is reacting to the objections that have been raised by the Congress.
I just don't understand how Congress Party ruled this country for 65 long years. I mean, how did they rule? Doesn't Congress Party know that the post of the CEC cannot remain vacant even for a single day? And today Rajiv Kumar is retiring. So there has to be a new CEC in place. I mean, what kind of question is this? Just for the heck of raising questions, they are raising questions. And Rahul Gandhi, there's a 3 members committee. 2:1 is the ratio. What they are hoping? It's a hope against hope. That's what Congress Party is living in. Please come out of your illusion, sir. This is 2025. It's not 1975 that you will have your way or highway.
माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय में याचिका दाखिल की गई है, लेकिन केंद्र सरकार के अधिकार क्षेत्र में है। चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर की बहाली वो विहित प्रक्रिया के तहत हो, इस पर कोई राजनीतिक आपत्ति खड़ा किया जाना, ये संवैधानिक व्यवस्था के प्रति कहीं न कहीं मन में दुराभाव है। नहीं, उम्मीदवार से ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण तो राजनीतिक दल है। राजनीतिक दल चुनाव जीत जाते हैं तो ईवीएम को सही मानते हैं, हार जाते हैं तो ईवीएम पर सवाल या निशान खड़ा करते हैं। इसका कोई तार्किक आधार नहीं है।
So the timing of the decision is something that the Congress Party has raised questions on, and that has led to a massive war of words. Now, the Congress Party is saying the government should have waited for the hearing to take place in the court, whereas the BJP is defending the decision, saying that just because the matter is in the court does not mean that the procedure will not be followed. Listen into the reactions.
इसीलिए तो चीफ जस्टिस या उनके नॉमिनी को हटाया गया। न्याय सिर्फ होना नहीं चाहिए, बल्कि दिखना भी चाहिए कि न्याय हुआ। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ये चयन समिति विवादित याचिका स्वीकार कर ली गई और उसके पहले जल्दबाजी में उसे बनाना, तो मैं समझता हूं ये सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का एक तरह से उसकी भावना का आरोप लगाता हूं केंद्रीय सरकार पर।
The process of administration, the functioning of the government doesn't stop because there is something in the court. Whatever the outcome of the court will be taken to consideration when it comes, but the process is on, and as per the rule framed by the parliament, the election commission selection process will be completed.